Greetings and welcome to the 1 Minute Message with Nicolette, where I share easy ways hard workers like us can improve our well-being by nourishing our most important relationship, the one we have with ourselves. The focus of this 30-day self-care series has been journaling for introspection, reflection, and action. Each day, I've provided one journal question or sentence starter for you to consider and respond to in writing. It's day 30 and the last day of this series, and I'll leave you with this question. What legacy do I want to leave behind? And how am I creating it today? Spend some time thinking and writing about this. You may also want to consider starting or ending your session with a guided meditation to help you prompt or process your thoughts. I've linked to a few you can try. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I hope you've enjoyed this self-care series on journaling and that it has helped you in your desire to seek answers from within. If you've discovered some things about yourself that you'd like to discuss further or would like to work with me on taking specific action steps towards achieving your goals, visit my website linked in the description. You'll also find a copy of the prompts presented in this series. If you have found this series beneficial, be sure to like it and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Be well.